MGV Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City. I am from Department of Chemistry, Physical Chemistry. Today we discuss the syllabus of TYBSc Chemistry paper first, same third, first term, code 331, paper title, it is the Physical Chemistry. Our TYBSc syllabus based on the 6 papers. Paper 1 Physical Chemistry, Paper 2 Inorganic Chemistry, Paper 3 Organic Chemistry, Paper 4 Analytical Chemistry, Paper 5 Industrial Chemistry, and Paper 6 it is the optional. So today we discuss or we see the syllabus regarding the Paper 1. Paper 1 Physical Chemistry based on the 4 chapters. Chapter number 1 Chemical Kinetics, Chapter number 2 Electrolytic Conductance, Chapter number 3 Investigation of Molecular Structure. Last chapter, chapter number 4, it is phase rule. In chapter 1 Chemical Kinetics, the subtopics are recapitulation of chemical kinetics, third order reaction, its derivation, characteristics, examples. Next subtopic will be methods to determine order of reaction using integrated rate equation method, graphical method, half-life method, differential method. We will also see the effect of temperature on reaction rate. Last subtopic will be Arrhenius equation and we will solve the numericals or problems. Chapter number 2 Electrolytic Conductance. In this chapter, we study the recapitulation of electrolytic conductance, specific and equivalent conductance. We see the variation of equivalent conductance with concentration, Kohlrausch's law and its application to determine equivalent conductance at infinite dilution, ionic product of water, solubility of sparingly soluble salts. In this chapter, we also study migration of ions and ionic mobilities, transport number, determination of transport number by Hittorf's method, moving boundary method, relation between ionic mobility, ionic conductance and transport number, ionic theory of conductance, for example, Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation. We see its validity, activity coefficient of a strong electrolyte, fugacity, numericals. It is the most important chapter of the physical chemistry. More interesting, most important chapter, scoring chapter. Chapter number 3, Investigation of Molecular Structure. In this chapter, Investigation of Molecular Structure, we study molar refraction, electrical polarization of molecules, permanent dipole moment, determination of dipole moment, molecular spectra, for example, rotational spectra, vibrational spectra and Raman spectra. We will also deals the numericals based on this chapter, that is investigation of molecular structure. Last chapter of physical chemistry, chapter number 4, phase rule. In this chapter, the topics are definitions such as system, component, phase rule, so on. We will also see the Gibbs phase rule for one component system, for example, water, sulfur. As well as we see the two component system such as silver, lead and zinc, cadmium. Last, numericals based on this chapter. Thank you.